All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something pretty cool with me. I got the ACEdc and One Bean collaboration chicken dinner haptic coin in Zirc here with me for a review. But hey guys, if you want to buy these toys, you can check out Fablades.com. You can see if there's something available because these are limited edition, very hard to get. This is like 61 of 99 made, so once these are gone, they are gone. Beautiful package, one of my favorite because it's slim, so fits the majority of the boxes when you have to ship. Inside you're gonna find this pretty cool envelope. You have an extra roller bearing set, a couple stickers going on, and of course you're gonna get this pretty cool sliding, as I said, one of my favorite packaging solution. Inside you're gonna find the chicken dinner haptic coin. This is of course winner PUBG reference, and of course you got ACEdc. You got the chicken dinner logo, which is, by the way, beautifully milled. This is I was saying a limited edition. It's a haptic coin. As a pretty simple structure. As you can see, you got magnets, you get this larger magnets on the center, which just acts as a pivot. Inside you're gonna see that it's engraved with the material employed and the limited edition that you can actually check on the back to see if you have a genuine product. This guy just closes and like that, and you can just haptic away, and it's a very interesting one because of the weight and the size. Actually, let's see how this guy is gonna weight in your pocket. It's not too bad, but I like the weight of Zirc. It's substantial, 54 grams, 0.7. It's very nice. Also, let's check the size of this fella. It has a diameter of 39 millimeters by 8 millimeters. It's pretty cool. A couple other ACEdc, that's the 3B. This is black mirror design, the telephone dial. Another haptic, pretty cool. In Zirc, I've got the Coke button, Coke cap. What else I have? Of course, Umbury. This is the token one. It's not Zirc, but still, I love it. But I mean, you get the idea of the size. This is a pretty cool, nicely sounding. It's really great in the hand because of the weight. It's, if you like PUBG chicken dinner, that's the one you're gonna get, and it's just sounding nice and snappy. You don't want to be obnoxious and annoying to people. Just apply a little bit more pressure. Here you go. So this thing is gonna be almost quiet, or if you want to be annoying and be loud, just like that. So less pressure, and just click it away. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.